In the early 1980s, people from the local community and employees of the United States Forest Service realized they were seeing an important historic icon deteriorating and being lost to future generations. So restoration efforts were started with the help and coordination of many Forest Service employees, volunteers, and the Bay Mills Brimley Historical Society. The original lighthouse was built of wood and stone. After a dozen or so years of use, the lighthouse keeper, Charles Caldwell, noted that the building was falling into disrepair due to wear from Lake Superior's powerful storms. In 1870, the lighthouse and tower were rebuilt with brick and mortar. That same sturdy tower stands.